Biz short in seconds, say what matters. Housing sales across India's 7 major cities declined by 14% in 2025, reflecting the impact of rising property prices and broader economic uncertainty, according to a report released on Friday by real estate consultancy Anarock. Total residential sales stood at 395,625 units in 2025, down from 459,645 units in 2024. Despite the drop in the number of homes sold, the total value of housing transactions increased by 6%, crossing 6 lakh rupees crore during the year. This contrasting trend highlights a significant shift in buyer preferences toward premium and luxury housing segments. Anarock noted that the fall in sales volume was driven by multiple factors, including higher property prices, layoffs in the IT sector, and ongoing economic and geopolitical uncertainties. These challenges dampened demand in the affordable and mid-income housing categories, particularly among first-time buyers. On the other hand, the luxury housing segment remained resilient, with strong demand from high-net-worth individuals and investors. This surge in premium home purchases significantly boosted the overall value of residential sales, offsetting the decline in transaction volumes. The report also reveals that average housing prices across the top 7 cities rose by 8%, reaching 9,260 rupees per square foot at the end of the fourth quarter of 2025. This compares with 8,590 rupees per square foot at the end of 2024, underscoring sustained price appreciation across key markets. Commenting on the trends, Anuj Puri, chairman of Anarock Group, said that 2025 has been a year of widespread disruption. The year witnessed broad-spectrum upheaval, including geopolitical turmoil, layoffs in the IT sector, tariff tensions, and other economic uncertainties, he said. Going forward, Anarock expects housing demand to remain selective, with buyers prioritizing stable income prospects, location advantages, and premium amenities. The real estate sector's performance will likely continue to be shaped by macroeconomic conditions, interest rates, and employment trends, particularly in technology-driven urban markets. Think business, think biz short, tap to subscribe.